Rayleigh found a nightgown that's actually a dress, but it's fine. It's cute. And now we're going to go get some earrings for Layla. She loved those stick-on earrings. Yeah, we can get some pretzel bites.
Can we get some on the way?
No, let's get some on the way out. Layla loved those little stick-on earrings. She also loved decorating things with them. So we're going to get some more because she loved them.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Our trip was cut short by a little stinky lady. Huh? Do you want to show us what you got? Let's see. She got some, some polish and some rings. Want to paint your nails? Yeah. We also got some earrings. These stick-on earrings are so dang cute. I'm going to save some. I'm going to let her open one pack and then I'm going to put the other ones away because she got a hold of the other ones and stuck them to like her dresser and papers and things. But I also got some little clip-on earrings to see if she would keep them in. I doubt she will, but we'll try one pair and see what happens. These go on in your ears. Want to put one on? Want to put them on? Rayleigh ran upstairs really quick. When she comes back down, then she can show you the pajamas she got. It's really a t-shirt dress, but it's super cute. I'm gonna open this for you, okay?
My neck.
Yeah, sure.
My neck over mama.
Oh yeah, what color?
Pink.
A pink one? Oh, I'm not surprised at all. Rosie over there. She's just hanging out. The towel probably feels good because it is hot today. Put your hands up here. That's cute. That's a cute little pink. What? Are you blowing on it? It's a lot lighter. Oh, don't turn it that way. I don't know what this polish is made out of, but it was so goopy. Okay, here we go. Oh, there it goes. Is that good? Okay, you have to let your nails dry. No, we'll do this one next time. Yeah, I don't know what this polish is made out of, but that was super goopy. I think it's supposed to like peel off, which is probably good because, you know, as you can see, she's wiping it all over the table running. You don't want to? Look at your earrings. They're really cute.
My lip. Look at
Your lip? She's so funny. She wants lip gloss now, of course. Little diva. You a little diva? Okay, you can put some. We're doing purple nails now. Okay, paint the next one. Yeah, good. Can you see how it's just like globby and weird? I wonder if it even dries. Good job, babe. You're doing a really good job, actually.
Okay.
Good, Layla.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other hand's hard, huh? You want me to paint the other hand? Want mommy to? Okay. Okay, put your lipstick on. Yeah, girl. Bray Bray's turn. Bray Bray's turn. You want to show your nightgown?
Yeah. Thank you.
Good job, Winston. Go let Layla paint your fingernails.
Mom.
Okay.
Here, you can paint my
I
fingernails.
got these socks.
Because they were half off.
So, it's a really nightgown, but it's like,
It's a t-shirt
it
dress.
looks like a nightgown.
That's dang cute, though. Oh, my lips? Okay. Oh, wow. That's a lot.
What is that? Wow, look.
Is that pretty?
Did you get your bow sighted?
What is that? Your mommy's.
Is it heavy to pull back?
What is
Yeah,
that?
it's really pretty.
What
What's
is
mine?
that? What is that?
Enough? All done?
Emma, what is
You
that?
do both.
Just rub it in? Oh, God.
Mom, what is that? Mom. Mom.
Pretty? What is it?
Yeah.
It's it's lip gloss. Come give me a kiss. Come on, Winston. Come give me a kiss.
Mom, no.
Come give me a kiss. Do you want to give me a kiss?
Mom, can I put Fortnite?
Look.
Wait, no.
Okay.
I'm going to put that.
Hilarious. How was your day?
What happened? What's the key?
Swedish fish. Look. See? They're so good. We're just having some dinner. Gager's watching Mall Cop. I think I'm gonna go and start Stranger Things. Gager already finished Stranger Things.
Yeah. The video.
Morning. I am on my way to cheer camp. Well, not really. I'm on my way to the high school. Then we're going to cheer camp.
What time did you wake up?
7.
So early.
I was so stressed out. I don't normally wake up early unless I'm really stressed out about something, and I'm so stressed about camp. Because, like, yesterday they were talking, oh, that's blurred. Yesterday they were talking about how every year someone forgets something, and I was like, I cannot be that person. And so I was just up all night. I was like, okay, I have that. So yeah. Yeah, I, like, quadruple checked it. Pretty sad I'm leaving. Gonna miss me.
But I'm excited for you. I loved cheer camp. I thought it was so
Yeah.
much fun. It's hard and it's a lot of work, but
All the older girls say it sucks. So, hopefully it's fun.
we'll make the best of it.
Yeah.
Braylee left. Sometimes she doesn't like to be filmed, like when she's with other people, and so we didn't film, but she left with her group. She got to ride there with her friend, and she gets to be roommates with Avia, so it's going to be so much fun. She is really nervous. I'm like, don't worry, everything's going to be okay. She's like, what if I mess up? Then you mess up, and then you keep going and working hard. So hopefully she'll be able to relax a little bit. Braylee's just very much that personality where she's a perfectionist. She wants to do things right. She wants to, like, prove herself, and like, Braylee, you're good, you got this, it's fine. So hopefully she'll do okay. It makes me worry. I am really excited for her, and I do think that we both have a hard time when we're not together, because we're always together. So it's good when we have times like this to be apart. The funny thing is too is that Casey's actually leaving. He has an archery challenge this weekend, and he's taking Gage, so it will just be me and Layla and Winston, which is kind of weird. I thought it was kind of funny that it will only be us 3 here. Only half of our family will be here. Half of our family will be gone. Anyone out there feel like they're wiping grime off of things nonstop? My laptop is always so disgusting. So I'm trying to clean my laptop. I'm cleaning the kitchen. It's nonstop. If I don't keep it up, it's super duper gross. But I'm so excited. I have a meeting in a few minutes with someone who I think is going to film and edit my videos for me. I want to do more DIYs, and I kind of want to do it a little different than I did in the past. And so I'm meeting with him to see if that is something he'd be interested in doing. He's local. I'm so excited. I hope it works out. But also during my meeting, I'm cutting Casey's hair because there's always a billion things going on at all times around here. But he's getting ready to leave, and he needs a haircut really bad. So that's what's happening. I'm trying to not look like a giant slob and get everything done. Everyone has left except for me and these 2 cuties. And what are we gonna do now? Paint. Our scissors fell apart. No, you didn't, honey. They come apart. It's okay.
No, I
They're
didn't.
supposed to do that. Look. Oh shoot. I'll fix. Oh, there we go. Fixed. I just got these little paints. I had to run to Hobby Lobby, and I got these little paints so that they can paint. I usually get like the little pots, paint pot things, but they're always so much. We're also watching Nightmare Before Christmas. That's Winston's favorite movie. So we are watching that and hanging out, and we're just gonna do whatever we want, right? Are we just gonna do whatever we want? Because we can? Yep. Yep. No, we're not playing Fortnite. We're gonna hang out together. Okay, so I don't know, I can't remember if I talked about how my meeting went, but it went so well. I can't wait. The guy who's gonna help me is so creative in such a different way, and he's much younger than me. So I was like, hopefully we can take kind of what I've done and love to do and the videos that I've made in the past and mix them and make them fun. And I don't know, I just feel like I've changed so much as a person. I feel like YouTube has changed so much. So I just really want to do crafts that I want it to be super easygoing and fun, and I want to laugh, and I want to show you guys ideas, because that's why I wanted to do tutorials, is just to give you guys some ideas. And I think if we can just have way more fun doing it, that would be the best. Honestly, when I used to film my craft videos, it was pretty stressful. Not always, but a lot of the times, and especially when we would do it with the kids, and I just don't want that stress. Anyways, we're gonna paint now. I'm gonna try to find a little figure for my little paint. I try to keep like little figures or little like wood pieces so that the kids always have something to paint down here, but I don't know. I think we might have used them off, so I'm gonna go through my craft stuff upstairs. I found some. So these I got in the dollar section at Target, I believe, but you can find stuff like this in the dollar section at Target or at Michael's, and I have found them to come in handy so many times when I just need something for my kids to sit and do. So I really like to stock up on things like this and just keep them like in a little tote. Aren't these cute? Like little clips. Yeah, we could put a magnet on the back of that, and you could put pictures on it and put it on the fridge.